day everyone, my name is Nathaniel Lieutenant and I'm presenting my argumentative essay about poverty in the Philippines. Poverty is the state of lacking financial resources is the state of lacking financial resources and basic necessities for a minimum standards of living, such as food, shelter, and healthcare. It is a complex issue that goes beyond a lack of money affecting health, education, and can be measured in terms lacking basic needs in the Philippines. We encounter poverty, we always watch on television how devastated our fellow Filipinos when they need to go to the hospital but they don't have money to sustain the needs of hospitalization because of poverty. In the Philippines is multi-phase caused by combinations of factors including of jobs, corruption, inequality, rapid populations, and growth. Vulnerability in the Philippines is multi-phase issue caused by combination of factors including of jobs, corruption, inequality, rapid population, growth, and vulnerability to natural disaster. 15.5 million Filipinos families consider themselves poor in April 2025. Social Weather Station SWS survey. Poverty forced some people to do crime because they wanted to surpass hunger. When you watch browser on the internet, you will see the agony of those people who feel vulnerable because of lack job. They wanted to have job, but the qualification is too high. At this point, they will sometimes think that it's better to commit crime than to let their stomach empty. There are major causes why poverty is happening to our country. Having irresponsible leaders or officials of government is one of the reasons of this problem. The issue grabs and corruptions take places because after many years, still there are officials who use their position in getting money from funds and use it for their self-interest instead. This poverty ever the murmuring of all people who experience natural disaster is because some great official who put the money of our nation to their pockets. They didn't think the consequence of what they did. Some people suffered flood that really affect their causes of living, even their daily living was really affected because of the flood us dream to have prosperous lives. That's why we need to prevent poverty. Our government want to decrease poverty in our country to help those families who really helped by some projects like For Peace. As a teenager, I will study and finish a degree so that I will able to have a good future. Opportunity to get a better life and live my status is possible if I will be able to have fulfilling jobs in the future, a job that can sustain and support my families. Need I want to have better life and I will make it happen to fight poverty.